My name is Daniel Brooks. I am 30 years old, and this is my story. I was never a bad person. I never wanted to hurt anyone. I was just a normal man trying to live a decent life. But sometimes, one wrong choice is enough to change everything. I grew up in a small town where people knew each other. My father worked as a mechanic, and my mother cleaned houses. They worked very hard, but money was always tight. Still, they taught me important values. My father always said that honesty is more valuable than money. At that time, I listened to his words, but I did not fully understand them. After finishing school, I found a job in a small office. The work was simple, and the pay was low, but I was grateful. I rented a small room and lived a quiet life. I helped my parents when I could and dreamed of a better future. I wanted a stable life and some respect in society. I believed that if I worked hard, things would slowly improve. One day, my mother became very sick. Her condition worsened quickly, and the doctor said she needed treatment as soon as possible. The cost was very high for us. I used all my savings, and my father sold his old motorcycle. Even after that, we still did not have enough money. Watching my mother suffer made me feel helpless. Every night, I lay awake, thinking of ways to help her. At my office, my boss trusted me. I handled records and payments, and I knew how the system worked. I knew when money was collected and when it was sent to the bank. One evening, while sitting alone at my desk, a dangerous thought came into my mind. I told myself that I would only take the money for a short time and return it later. I tried to push the thought away, but it kept coming back. Fear for my mother and pressure from life made my mind weak. For many days, I fought with myself. I remembered my father's warning about wrong choices. But each time I saw my mother lying weak in bed, my heart became heavy. Finally, one night, I stayed late at the office. The building was quiet. My hands were shaking, and my heart was beating fast. I took the money and put it in my bag. At that moment, I felt ashamed, scared, and broken inside. My mother received the treatment, and slowly, she started to recover. Seeing her smile again gave me relief, but my peace did not last long. Every day, I lived in fear. I was scared that someone would find out. I avoided eye contact at work and felt nervous all the time. Still, days passed, and nothing happened. No one asked questions. No one suspected me. Slowly, my fear turned into comfort. I started believing that maybe I could fix everything. But new problems came. Bills increased, and my salary was not enough. The money I planned to return was used for daily needs. I knew I was going deeper into a dark hole, but I did not know how to stop. One morning, my boss called me into his office. His face was serious, and his voice was cold. He told me there was a problem with the accounts. My mouth became dry, and my legs felt weak. When he said that money was missing and all evidence pointed to me, I panicked. Instead of telling the truth, I lied. That lie destroyed the last chance I had. They checked records and security footage. The truth came out very quickly. I was fired on the same day. Walking out of the office with my box of belongings was one of the worst moments of my life. I felt empty and defeated. News spreads fast in a small town. Soon, everyone knew what had happened. Friends stopped answering my calls. Neighbors looked at me with judgment in their eyes. When my parents found out, my father did not shout or blame me loudly. He just looked at me with deep disappointment. That silent look hurt me more than any punishment. I decided to take responsibility for my actions. I accepted the consequences and started working small jobs to pay back the money. Life became very hard. Some days, I had no proper food. Some nights, I cried alone, wishing I could go back and change that one moment. Over time, I slowly paid back everything. It took months of hard work and shame, but I did it. I found a job at a warehouse. The work was heavy, and the pay was low, but it was honest. I learned to respect even the smallest opportunity. I learned that trust, once broken, is very hard to earn again. One day, my old boss called me. He told me he knew I had paid back all the money. He said people make mistakes, but real character is shown by those who accept their mistakes and try to fix them. He did not offer me my old job, but his words gave me hope. Today, my life is still simple. I do not have a big house or a fancy car, but I sleep peacefully at night. I live honestly, and I value every small thing I have. I share my story because many people believe that one small wrong choice does not matter. It does. One wrong choice can change your life forever. But taking responsibility and choosing honesty again can slowly heal the damage. This is my story, and this is my lesson.
Thank you for watching this story till the end. I hope you enjoyed the story and felt its message. If you liked this story, please support the channel. Don't forget to like the video and share it with others. Your support gives me strength to create more stories. Subscribe to the channel for new and original stories. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you once again for your time and support.